Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Z7 Flip FE. Firstly, you need to open Play Store on both devices and get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now you can tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In the last two categories, which are contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you're done, to continue, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom of your Android. And if you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in white pop-up. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to scan the QR code, click on scanning icon above User Guide on Samsung. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers before they expire and hit Receive button to connect. Whatever you decided, just wait. Close all ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!